Hey everybody, and welcome back. And today we have got this, which is a Gadget cube. Can't really tell you too much about it because it's none of it's in English. So I think it's supposed to be like a fidget cube. That's it, fidget cube. So yeah, that's the box. That's what it's got on it. A lot of Chinese writing. So without further ado, let's get this baby open. So the first quest is to actually open it. Okay, we're just going to be... There we go. There we go. Right, so just as I thought, you can see there it's a cube. You can see there it's not going to be a very big sort of thing, or in our case it looks like something we have to put together. So there's our first quest, putting the thing together. Okay, so let's crack this baby open. Let's get all the parts out and see what's occurring. I didn't know it was going to be in bits. I thought it'd be like a complete cube. It's almost like Lego, to be honest. I mean, look at it, we've got some grey, white cubes, joints by the looks of it. Oh, not Meccano. What's that Lego? Technical Lego, look. That's what it looks like, technical Lego. See there? Anyway, let's get the instruction manual and go to number 1, which is one of these and one of these. The link, by the way, the link to getting hold of one of these will be in the description below. So if you do want one, just click on the link or copy the link, paste it into your browser, and it will take you there. Anyway, I'm going to build this, and then we'll see you in a minute when it's complete. Okay, so there it is. Let me just get a bit comfy over here. So this is it after it's been built. So this is just well, it's like it says, it's just a gadget, isn't it? It's just to keep your fingers occupied. Building didn't take too long to do, if I'm honest. Wasn't too much of a hassle. Let's get it back in the screenshot. So that's it there. As you can see, we just slotted in the links and then the pins push in. The instructions are really easy to follow. You cannot go wrong. I'm sure this was only £2-3 maybe. So the link will be in at the bottom. Yeah, for a couple of quid. What sort of quality do you expect? And it's just a bit of fun, isn't it? It's just a bit of fun. which is what we need in life sometimes, just a bit of fun, you know. Yeah, I don't know what that's for. Unless it's something that you can break down. You can see there the instructions, if you can read that, that's great. Yeah, I don't know what that's for actually. Well, never mind. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not much to it. It just sort of folds, just to keep you occupied. It's a bit like one of those, well, there's nothing like it, but it's almost like one of those magic wallets, you know, where you put your money in, like you fold it over and all of a sudden it's like disappeared. I don't know if you had one of those when you was younger, but that's what it's like. So there we go. It's not really not much to say about it. It's plastic. It's quite sturdy, I guess. It's not gonna fall apart. I mean, the pins aren't gonna fall out there. I mean, it took a little while to get them in there. Yeah. So that's that. But don't worry, we will have more gadgets for you at some point. I've got some on the way actually. So we'll get those on the video when we get them reviewed and uploaded. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell as well, because we want you to know when the new videos are uploaded. So that's it from us for now. We will see you next time. Ta-da for now.